Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. You're welcome. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today, I'll be showing you how to make carrot banana bread. The carrot banana bread is a very versatile baked dish that you could eat as for breakfast. You could take it as a snack. You can actually take it even with soups for dinner. It's actually very versatile, and you can use those old ripe bananas to make this recipe. You don't need to waste any banana again, just use it for this recipe. Why don't you just sit back and let's start with a list of the ingredients.